the things that we do is our cleaners always wear masks and gloves and booties as well on their feet, to ensure that that they're abiding by the county rules. Also, they disinfect their equipment in between houses and before they come into the house as well. And we use all clean towels. We don't cross contaminate towels and equipment from one house to the other. We have a set of towels for each house, that basically after they're done, they put the used towels in a bag and they put it in the car, and they only bring in clean towels into the customer's house. We also added a new chemical as well. We use all green products, but we do use one product. It's a disinfectant now, because of COVID, and we actually use it for high touch areas such as light switches, doorknobs, areas that are people, the public is touching in common areas, just to give that extra protection and kill any type of virus or germs or bacteria on those high touch areas. Definitely meeting new customers. It's always fun to go out. I do all the estimates. So I meet each and every prospect and customer, get to know them. Most people don't enjoy cleaning their homes. So I love the fact that we come over there, make their lives easier, free up their time, and also keep their homes safe and clean. It's enjoyable. I do like doing that.
And we also really enjoy being able to provide jobs to our employees. Many of our employees have been with us for about 5 years. Our most tenured employees have been with us for 16 years. So we consider our employees a part of our family, and we're really grateful for the opportunity to provide stable and consistent work for them so that they can support their families.
So we cleaned a retired Hall of Fame San Francisco Giants player. I won't mention his name, but basically, we were cleaning him on a regular basis, and I got this call from the cleaning team that was at his house, and the team said, "Hey, we were cleaning one of the hall bathrooms, and we weren't next to it, but the shower door shattered. It just broke, and we were actually not even touching it, not even cleaning the shower door. We were away from it, and it just broke." From the customer's perspective, obviously, we broke the shower door. And I can't really explain to the customer and say, "Hey, we weren't touching it, but it broke." But to resolve the issue, I purchased a new replacement shower door, and I went to the house, installed it personally myself to make sure that it got in correctly. The funny thing happened was when I was holding the shower door, I actually was just holding it like this, and it broke in my hands. I didn't hit anything. I didn't bump anything. I was holding it, and it shattered right in my hands. It was the weirdest thing. And, for some reason, maybe there's a spirit at that house, and it didn't want us there. But, we did, manage to I had actually a second door with me. I installed it, and everything was good. But it was a little bit creepy, and it's a pretty funny story.
So the team member that I want to share with you is our current manager. Her name's Lupita. Lupita's been with our company for 9 years. And when she started with our company, she was a cleaner. And then, but we knew right away from the way that she worked, she was hardworking and great, that we wanted to promote her. So we slowly moved her up into the ranks. She was a team lead. She became an inspector. And then she started working into the office. And as she continued to learn more and more about the business, we then decided to promote her to manager. And since then, she's learned quickly. She handles the customer service. She handles all the scheduling. She works with the employees because she's bilingual. She speaks English and Spanish, so she's able to do a lot of the translations from the customers and from Josh. And she's just really done a great job. And we're just proud of the fact that we were able to hire from within, to promote from within. And I think anybody that decides to sign on to our service will get to work with her and really see what a great job that she does for us. So one of the big things that makes our cleaning company different is that we've been in business for almost 20 years. So we've accumulated years of experience and expertise in the cleaning business, and we're constantly looking for process improvements and ways to get better. We also have a very seasoned cleaning staff with us that have been with us anywhere from 5 to 16 years.
I think also our quality and consistency differentiates us from other companies as well. But we continue to train our employees to do even better job for cleaning, and then we also have job tickets for each house. So what it is basically a list of what to do for each house. We don't break it down per house. We actually break it down per room. So when I go out and do my estimates, I should go to each room, write down the needs of the customer, take notes, and then those our cleaners have those notes. So when they clean, it's more consistent. And we're always updating our job tickets as well, because if a customer has something extra for us to do, we can put on the job ticket and we make sure that it gets done.
We also take great pride in providing really high quality customer service. Josh and Lupita are great about working together to keep open communications with our customers, so that they will make sure that we understand their needs and we can do what we can to work with our employees to provide them with the needs that they have for their cleaning. We also have a satisfaction guarantee. So if for any reason our customers aren't happy with the clean, they can give us a call and we're happy to send the team out to fix anything that they weren't happy with.
Also, we're licensed and we're fully insured, workers' comp and liability bonding as well. Not all companies have that, especially the workers' comp piece, but we do have that. And what that does is provide peace of mind for our customers in case a cleaner accidentally gets hurt in their house. It's completely covered under our workers' comp.
We also have cloud-based software for helping us manage our scheduling. So we provide mostly weekly, biweekly, and quarter weekly ongoing cleaning. And so this means that we need to be there on a consistent basis. And that software and scheduling helps us to be dependable and to make sure that we're able to be there when our customers expect us to be there.
And then one last thing, from a personal perspective, we're not only the owners of Lepro Home Cleaning, we're customers as well. So we get our house cleaned on a regular basis, and the feeling I get when I come through the house, come home after a long day's work, and my house is clean, everything's done right. It's such a great feeling to have, and I want my customers to know that feeling. We want to spread that feeling as well with them, because it's just great, and you just have no idea to come home, to a clean house. It's great. Absolutely. When you're shopping around, I think the first thing you should ask is that company fully licensed? Do they have the liability insurance? Do they have workers' comp? Are they bonded as well? That gives that peace of mind, like I mentioned before, for the customer to make sure that if anything happens, any accident, is fully covered.
I think another good question to ask is, because it's a long-term relationship that you will have with your cleaning company, is to ask them how the company handles any issues that may arise. If there's a scheduling problem, breakage issues, a team's running behind, whatever, how will they go about helping to resolve those issues? Because it's the way that a company handles their adversity is a true sign of their overall character and expertise.
I think finally also is how are you going to ensure, or you ask the customer, how do you ensure clean consistency and scheduling, and also communication as well? You want to make sure that that company is providing you a consistent team if possible. How are they doing the schedule? Are they, how are they on a calendar? Are they using a software system for scheduling? And also, what's the best way to communicate? Is there a manager there? Do you call the owner directly? Is everything done, digitally through text or email? Those are important questions to ask, especially the communication piece.